What's going on? My name is Reginald Cuthbert. Most people call me Mr. C, and this will be a Toolbox Tutors Math Session. If you're new to these videos, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, we'll be solving linear systems using the graphing method. And by the end of this video, I'll show you step by step how to solve this example using the graphing method. Let's go. Before we begin, let's look at these important tools of reference. If you understand how to graph linear functions in slope-intercept form, how to convert standard form to slope-intercept form, and you understand how to identify a point on the coordinate plane, then you have the tools necessary to solve a linear system using the graphing method. Let's look at example 1. So for this example, we'll be finding a solution to y equals 3x minus 3 and y equals 1/2 x plus 2. We'll begin with this first linear function, y equals 3x minus 3. Here we need to identify the y-intercept first. Since this is already in slope-intercept form, this one should be pretty easy to graph. So our y-intercept is -3, and as a point, it would be 0, -3. So we'll plot this point here first, 0, -3. From here, our slope would be 3. To find the next point, we need to take this 3 and put it over 1, telling us that from our y-intercept, we go 3 up because this 3 is positive, and positive 1 on the bottom tells us to go 3 to the right. So from our y-intercept, we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. And we can go up 3, right 1 as many times as we can, just as if we were graphing a linear function by itself. So from here, since we can't go up 3 and right 1 anymore, what we can do is go to the y-intercept and we'll flip this to the opposite. So instead of +3 over +1, we have -3 over -1, meaning -3 on top tells us to go down, -1 on the bottom tells us to go left. So from here we go down 3, 1, 2, 3, left 1. And here we have our first linear function, y equals 3x minus 3, graphed with our points. From here, what we'll do is graph our second line, y equals 1/2 x plus 2, to find the solution. Now remember, in order to find the solution, what we want to do is find the point where these two lines cross, or where these two lines touch. It's only going to be one single point. So just like when we identified the points on the linear function above, what we'll do is identify these same points using the y-intercept and the slope on the one below. So our y-intercept for the function on the bottom here, y equals 1/2 x plus 2, y-intercept is 0, 2, and our slope is 1/2. So this is the y-intercept, and this is the slope. So now the y-intercept 0, 2 would be here. So start at 0, 0, go up 2. It would be right here. And our slope is +1 over +2, which tells us to go 1 up, 2 right. So from our y-intercept, we go up 1, 2 right, up 1, 2 right. And notice we have this point right here where these two lines meet. This is actually our solution. So what we can do is find this point by starting at 0, 0 and going to the right 2. So that means we go in 2. And then from here, we go up 1, 2, 3. And this will be 3. So our solution for this linear system would be 2, 3. Thanks for watching example 1 of solving linear systems using the graphing method. If you need any other help, please leave a comment below, or you can send us a picture on Instagram at toolboxtutors.com. Till next time, have a good one.